Advances in technology provided me with an opportunity to create more and more variations for rehearsal within the same concept. I started doing this as a way to give the global population an opportunity to use the exercises that I had developed. The iPad application gives the individual an opportunity to view the errors they've made and to correct those errors themselves. And finding your own mistakes and correcting them is a powerful tool for enhancing brain plasticity. Rocket ABCs and Rocket 1, 2, 3 use multiple different fonts so that in addition to learning the alphabet in print or cursive, the individual also has an opportunity to rehearse visual imagery skills, because the A in one of 30-some different fonts looks very different in presentation. And this visual imagery helps with mathematics and abstract thinking. When the letters rotate, it also enhances the individual's ability to see things from different perspectives and recognize them. So this also strengthens visual discrepancy. Strong Mind Puzzles was my first application. It has gone through 12 different editions. Strong Mind Puzzles starts out very simply with one variable. You have to find all of the images that share the one variable. It goes on to 2 variables. Then you're asked to find the same variable and a different variable. Do inductive and deductive reasoning. The complexity of strong mind puzzles gives the individual an opportunity to rehearse their working memory. Aging Brain Boost gives the participant the opportunity to select graphics and music from the 50s, 60s, 70s, or 80s to play the game Strong Mind Puzzles. As we age, many people lose or have problems with their working memory, and giving the individual the control, the opportunity to select the music and graphics, I thought would enhance the individual's tolerance and ability to play the game multiple times, to rehearse their working memory at different levels so that they developed a strong pattern of new behavior. Strong Mind Treasure Hunt is a game that rehearses visual imagery skills. The game starts out very simply and gets more complex. There are millions of permutations so that you can rehearse visual imagery skills at very complex levels. BYO Puzzles, Build Your Own Puzzles, is another opportunity to rehearse visual imagery skills, analytical perception, part-whole relationships, how the part fits into the whole. BYO Puzzles also gives the participant an opportunity to create their own puzzles. The individual can use images from their own library or with the camera, gives the individual an opportunity to familiarize the individual with the source so that the puzzle is easier to solve. Strong Mind Estimator is a game that I created to help individuals learn fractions, decimals, help individuals maintain the big picture and put the details in the big picture, and recognize the ratio and proportion involved in guesstimating. Guesstimating is what adults do when they make any purchases or do complex decision making. Again, this starts out very simply and gets more complex. Strong Mind Mazes was NASA's favorite game. It involves manipulating 7 variables constantly in order to get from the beginning to the end of the maze. Again, there are close to 6 million permutations. All of the apps that were developed began with paper and pencil exercises. The paper and pencil exercises were mediated between me, the teacher, and the participant, the student, or the patient. I needed to create games where technology could mediate the experience the participant, the player, the patient would have, and to encourage the patient to go on. I developed the iPad applications so that a global population could benefit from my work to catalyze creativity, maximize intelligence, strengthen critical thinking, and to enhance brain plasticity.